Here's a cautionary tale about opening the door for just anyone that knocks.
Hello. Hi. How far are you, sir? Who are you? Aaron right now. How far are you? Good. You need to leave. How far? Out there. What's the stairs from? What? What's the stairs area? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs area? Goodbye, you.
It seems to me like the stranger had bad intentions and seized up once inside and confronted by what looks like a bigger man. Now, once outside, he has the confidence to be more aggressive. Always check to see who's at your door before opening. Or don't, I don't care, live your life, live on the wild side. Here's an unfortunate video where this woman didn't pay attention to her surroundings.
Como pra fora. Oh, don't move. Don't stay. Don't.
Thankfully, they left after robbing her. It could have been way worse.
Can you open up? I want to talk to Beyonce.
This totally naked guy definitely is on something here, looking for Beyonce.
Dr. Dre? I want to talk to Beyonce.
And I think he means Jay-Z and not Dr. Dre. Speaking of being on something, a dude who looks way too fucked up tries to break into a house. I'm curious if the people inside know him and know how he can get when he's this messed up. The trend of being on something continues here, I believe.
How can I help you?
This is, my name is James.
What are you looking for?
Sosa.
Clearly he's making shit up to try and get inside of the house. There's no
Sammy?
way this guy had good intentions.
What's your name?
James.
And who are you looking for?
No, a friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you. So if you don't get the fuck off my porch, I'm gonna unload it on your fucking face. Get the fuck off my porch.
And the homeowner, he responded perfectly. This guy who was out on a walk decides to sniff a woman's shoe. Definitely creepy, but he thankfully continues on his way after. Speaking of creeps,
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
this guy probably got trolled online
Okay, what are you looking for, Steven?
and showed up at the address given, or he's just shooting his shot at a random
No,
house.
I am Steven. I'm looking for Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good night.
Understood.
This was posted to Reddit by Obi-Wan Kenobi with the caption, "Good thing I checked my camera before leaving this morning." Yeah, I 100% agree.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, that's not me.
Now this looks like attempted murder. Though with the aim and how far away they were from each other, I'm starting to think it was just to scare them, much like the lady who got robbed. It's best to be aware of your surroundings when out at night. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more creepy and weird videos. Bye.